we're about to have fun with some Glocks.
Let's do it. Hey guys, Big Daddy Hoffman 1911 coming to you. I got two of my good buddies over here.
Hey, I'm Derek Scott.
I'm Cameron Hayes. You might have seen my YouTube channel, HayC494. There will be a link to it at the bottom of this. And we're about to have fun with some Glocks.
Let's do it.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's fun.
That's right. That look good, guy.
Thank you, sir.
That's all y'all got?
That's all we got.
You know, I sometimes carry more than one gun.
Oh, okay.
I think I hit every one.
Now that is what I'm talking about.
Fun with Glocks.